Māori have an ontology of Whanaungatanga, meaning everything is connected through ties of kinship and relations are prior to relata. So things can only come into existence through their relationships. Now, if we compare this to some Western analytic philosophical traditions and science, we'll notice some big differences. An ontology of Whanaungatanga focuses on kin, not kind. It focuses on relationships and connections, and not trying to distinguish different things into categories or dissecting them into their component parts and reducing them down to their basic constituents. That is not how Māori philosophy works. So Māori philosophy embraces the subjective experience and the qualitative. And think about science. Science puts a lot of effort into being objective and focusing on the quantitative, that which can be measured and understood in terms of mathematics. An ontology of Whanaungatanga presupposes that everything is in a process of becoming, and there is no such thing as a static substance. It is very much about taking a broad ecological perspective on existence. If everything is connected in some way, every entity is its own little ecosystem that is embedded within yet another ecosystem. So let's think about that. If we think about an atom as an entity, it is also its own little ecosystem. It is made up of little subatomic particles. Now, atoms are embedded within a larger ecosystem, such as molecules, and molecules are embedded within cells, and cells within organs, and organs within people, and so on. So you can understand this kind of ecological thinking that Māori do because of their ontology of Whanaungatanga. The best way to organise a relational universe is with whakapapa, and that's genealogy, rather than a taxonomy, so a classification system that is based on different categories of things that exist.